In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect or group multiple items so they move and behave as a single unit. This is perfect when you've lined up text with an icon, arranged several shapes, or built a small layout you want to keep together as you work. Start by clicking the first element you want to connect. This could be a piece of text, an image, a shape, or any other object on your canvas. Make sure you're selecting the actual element, not just the empty space around it. You'll usually see a highlight or a bounding box appear when an object is selected. If there are overlapping layers, click directly on the one you need, or zoom in slightly so your click lands exactly where you intend. A precise first selection keeps everything else easy. Now, keep your finger on the Shift key. Holding Shift lets you add more items to your current selection without losing the one you already have. It's important to keep holding Shift while you continue selecting, so your growing selection stays intact. If you accidentally click the wrong thing, don't worry. While still holding Shift, click that item again to remove it from the selection. With Shift held down, click every other element you want to connect. Take your time to include all related text, images, and shapes. Selection order doesn't matter. What matters is that each element you need shows an active outline. If you're working with small or tightly spaced objects, a quick zoom in helps avoid misclicks. When everything you need is highlighted, you're ready to finalize the connection. Head to the top right corner of your interface and click Group. This merges your selections into a single grouped unit. If you prefer a quicker workflow, use the shortcut. Press Ctrl+G on Windows or CMD+G on Mac. The moment you do this, your elements are bound together. You can move them as one, resize them without breaking their spacing, and rotate the entire set while preserving alignment. Grouping keeps your layout consistent and saves you from nudging pieces back into place later. That's all there is to it. Select the first element, hold Shift, click the others, and choose Group or use the shortcut. Use this approach whenever you want a clean, efficient way to keep related items together and your design process smooth.